Welcome to Torquay. It is an autumn night, and a rather beautiful autumn night at that. And I found my way down to this small little seaside town just outside of, it's not too far from Melbourne. And I thought I would come down and get out of the house and bring you along for a little bit of a visit. This city, it's at the east end of the Great Ocean Road's coastal drive, southwest of Melbourne. It's known for surf beaches like Bells Beach and Jan Juke Beach, which I believe is where I'm at right at this moment. And it goes on, I'm reading a little bit. It says the Surf Coast Walk Trail starts at Point Impossible Beach and heads southwest via Point Danger Marine Sanctuary with its limestone reef and sea slugs. In town, the Australian National Surfing Museum displays surf memorabilia. So I'm going to just do a little bit of a walk and talk. As I said, I just wanted to get out of the house and bring you along for a little bit of tour of Torquay. And if you were looking at it, most people that I know, if you were looking at the spelling of the word, it's Torquay. Most people that I know would want to say Torquay. But it's actually QUA and it's pronounced Key, so it's Torquay, Australia. And I'm gonna just do a little bit of a walk and talk, and maybe see if I can't launch the drone and give you some nice shots of the beaches here. Just up from where I was a moment ago is a memorial, lest we forget, a memory of fallen comrades, World War I, World War II, erected by the Torquay and District Ex-Servicemen's Club. And if you look just up there, you can see there's it looks like a paraglider cruising along. Look at that. Be nice to do a nice little drone flight right up by him. So come down over here, you can see another beach. I believe this here is called, this may be Front Beach. If you were looking at a map, this very well could be Front Beach. And there's quite a bit of activity down there on the beach. I see a lot of people on surfboards. Even see some people out on paddle boards as well. Here's an information board reading about Torquay's first tourists. Visitors have been coming to Torquay to enjoy the coastal setting since the Victorian times. Seaside has been a favorite destination for holidaymakers since the 1870s, when it was considered good for one's health to breathe ocean air or bathe in the sea at watering places. So you can see they have the map right there showing you where I'm at. And there's the Rocky Point and Bird Rock. So, and then just down you got Bells Beach right down there, which I believe is where they hold the World Championship surfing. So let's just go and explore a little bit. My next stop took me up to Rocky Point Lookout, and I was actually going to just do a drone flight, but I thought that, boy, you know what? Just to give you the full experience, you see people are just wrapping up their day from a day on the water, and they're packing up their surfboards and going home. And well, these couple here, they look like they're actually just going out perhaps. But this is called Rocky Point Lookout, and look at this. Boy, this will definitely make a nice drone shot right here. Rocky Point Lookout. The last shot that I did was just actually not too far off there over on the left. So let's launch this drone and see if we can't get some nice shots. Sure looks like a nice place to fly a drone, that's for sure. And here goes a gal here. They got their wetsuits and what have you. This looks like there's a river just here. But I'm going to launch the drone and get some nice shots. I'm sure that I'll probably get some good, really nice shots here.